everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my Fireplace Friday, and it is Christmas in July. How cool is that, right? So I'm taking a little bit of a backed up film of it, and then I'm going to get a little bit closer and show you the details. So let me go ahead. I'm going to try to get a better backed up film of it too. And when I say back up, I'm trying to back up as far as I can to get a really good shot of it, because my bed is like basically like right where I am. Like the foot of my bed is like right like close. Okay, so I'm doing this in my room for now because I really don't have any room in my living room for this particular DIY fireplace. So anyway, let's go ahead. I'll try to take a really good picture of the whole thing. I got bags behind me so they're like crackling and rattling. But I'll try to take a picture of the whole thing. Now this particular thing right here, this tree, I DIY'd that, okay? And if you want to see how I did it, you can look at one of my old videos, but I'll get up close to it in a minute, okay? And if I remember correctly, I think I DIY'd that pink tree too. I just put a whole bunch of different trees on top of each other, and I got those trees at the Dollar Tree. And let me just scan around it a little bit. You'll see a cat with the tail. I thought the cat's tail was going to go by. And a lot of my nutcrackers were thrifted at the thrift store. So, and then that tall thing in the middle, that's from Hobby Lobby, but I got that for a really, really good price. So I'm going to try to zoom in on everything now. Okay, so let's start with this tree. I actually made that, that was Bubbles from the Dollar Tree, and then I just kind of put some glue on it and dipped it in that stuff that you get from the Dollar Tree too. And then this white stuff came in the Dollar Tree as a pack, like, I can't remember the name of it. Icing. I got this at Target. This particular little thing, I want to say that was from Dollar Tree, but don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was. This ball was from Dollar Tree, but I painted it, and this ball lights up. Let me see if I can get it to light up. Yeah, it's lighting up, as you can see. I'll just leave it on. And then these like lollipop type of things were bought at, like as a pick at Hobby Lobby. And so was that cupcake. And I think this thing lights up as well. This star back here. Yeah, that does too. Alright, so let's start right here. This guy, I got him a couple of years ago at Savers with a whole bunch of different ones. The Nutcracker. I got a whole bunch of different Nutcrackers that day. Now, I'm pretty sure he did have something in his hand, and I just don't know where it is. Now, that little tree was from Dollar Tree. This thing here, I may have... I think that might be, I want to say, a Savers thing. But he does talk. He says a couple of different things, so let me put them on.
If you're craving something sweet, help yourself, but don't eat me. Candy canes are my suggestion. I can give you indigestion.
That's cute, right? He might sing something else
too.
Oh,
I think I saw a snickerdoodle around here somewhere. Here, doodle doodle. Here, doodle.
I guess.
You know what's really good to eat instead of me? Carrots. Delicious Christmas carrots.
That's
Why
crazy.
couldn't I have been born a fruitcake? Nobody ever wants to eat them. Oh, I wouldn't make a very good snack. Even my jokes are stale.
Well, that was a good one, the last one. So, anyway, that I think I got that. That was so cute, right? I think I got that, this guy at Savers. I'm pretty sure, okay? And I think at one time he might have lit up too because of that, but I don't think he does anymore. This was at the Dollar Tree. This garland was definitely at the Dollar Tree. And again, like I said, this was from Hobby Lobby Really, really good price because the real price was $24.99. I think I got it like for maybe $4. These little trees are from the Dollar Tree. That is a Target, like a vintage looking reindeer. These trees are from the Dollar Tree, and this, I want to say I bought him new. I want to say I paid full price. Well, I think he was on sale though at Christmas Tree Shop. Let me check on him. Yes, he was definitely a Christmas Tree Shop guy, and he's kind of new. Alright, now let's do this tree. This tree was also one white tree on top of the other. I think I got this guy at like a corner thrift store. There's one of those light up balls again. This garland was got at the Dollar Tree. It has like little snowmen all over. You might not be able to see the snowmen right now. Plus this garland, the candy canes, was bought at the Dollar Tree too. I used a broom to put that tree together. And then I made these out of those little cups that they have at the Dollar Tree. Those little, you know how they sell those cups, those wooden cups? And then the little gingerbread people, I just kind of glued that on. And these also, see how I pinned them in there? These were also got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, now let me get down closer. Okay, I think, and I'm not definite, but I think this was Dollar General, but don't, like I said, don't quote me. Another Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree Santa. Then there's that garland again. This guy was like the prize nutcracker. Okay, how cool is he riding on like a horse, right? And he actually really does work too. He's really a nutcracker, but he has a robe on. But he has a horse that rocks. How cool is that, right? And then that was also one of my thrifted nutcrackers. But somehow or another, in, you know, moving, his hat came off. And I'm sure the hat's around here somewhere, but I have like one of those squishy cupcakes, so I stuck it on his head because I've seen nutcrackers with cupcakes on their head. And then this sign just fell on the floor, but I'm going to put it back in a minute. Let me just move this guy back. And this was also at the Dollar Tree. I think that, yeah, I'm pretty sure this was a Dollar Tree sign. So anyway, guys, let me just go back again one more time and give it a really good look. Okay, there it is, guys. My Christmas in July Fireplace Friday. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. And I think for, don't quote me now, I keep saying that, right? I think for my Whatever Wednesday, there's going to be something to do with Christmas in July as well. So stay tuned for that, okay, guys? Thanks so much. Bye now.